Get ready. 1, 2, 3.
Got them all away. Let's see who can hit the top first. As you can see, we've got Queensland, Tasmania, represented along with Canada and New South Wales. Number 3 at the top, let's pick a 2-4, the champion on number 1, reserve on 2. Come on, let's get behind those 1, 2, One more go, he's the first one down the ground from Tasmania, followed by champion down there, Mitchell Hewitt on 1. Ryan Wagner down on 3. And Sterling Hart, the Canadian, up there on 3-7, he's with them. Right, come on, bring them along now. Then you guys hit the front down on 3-4. Get behind the young fella. He's going to make a race of it today. They're both up together now. 1-1. Come on, get behind the champion. Victor Hewitt. One will go down on 3-4. 3-3's up. Ryan Wagner. Come on, keep him going, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get behind him now. Come on, Storm, he's a champ. Here he comes, Trevor. David Daniels there down on 4. He's very close, but he's all working on number 11. Right, looks like Victor Hewitt. He comes to Trevor. He's going to be reserved today. Very close to the comes into his left turn, Houston Cage, Ryan Wagner, 3-3. We need 4 places here. Who's going to be 4th in this World Championship? Matthew Werder, he's cutting with an injury there on 3, number 2. Reserve champ last year. Josh Everton down there on 5. Getting awful close. And it's Sterling Hart from Canada. He saw a 5, I'll go down from on 5. Let's keep him going now. Matthew there comes and we've still got Blake Marsh down there in 3-8.